Look at this beautiful area I'm in. Where do you guys think I'm at? I'm gonna tell you in here in just a second. Well, what do you guys think? Well, howdy friends. We are here at Bryce Canyon National Park and we're just enjoying a beautiful day. Nice, wonderful hike, and I will be showing you guys around. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button and share with your friends. Well, you know what? Let's get on with it. Let's do some hiking. Man, it's been so long since we've been here, but you know what? Enough of that. Let's show you this beautiful place because look at this, man. Fantastic. You guys, I'm turning the camera around. You gotta look. Ready? 1, 2. You guys go. 3. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Look, you guys. Fantastic. They're little hoodoos. I love it. We're gonna go down it.
It looks like...
I know. No dogs allowed, but they're in here. Haha. Alright, you guys. We're gonna go down this. Oh, by the way, beware. What goes down has got to come back up. So I know it's gonna be a killer going back up here. But we're gonna have fun. Anyways, most beautiful view ever. I love it.
Hello,
Hi. Another babies, huh?
Yeah.
VIP ride.
Yep. They have the best spot in the house.
So I start the watching that thing.
Oh yeah. Let's start my watch. See how far we're going. Calories I burn.
Oh.
All right. Well, I missed about 2 back up there, so we're gonna add 2 to that. No, just kidding. But wow, look at that. Isn't that just fantastic, you guys? Beautiful hoodoos, or you can call them amphitheaters, and they're just formed off the water and snow and wind that happens over here. Pretty cool. All right, you guys, well, we're gonna keep moving. When I get some more good views, well, I mean, it's a good view, but you've already seen it now. We're going to come back on. Hey you guys, look at this cool area we have to go through. Look, watch, this is neat. Down here. Watch out. Look at this. Look. How cool is that? Isn't that beautiful? Nice, huh?
Super orange.
It is really orange, actually.
Especially in the camera.
Yeah, in the camera it is really orange. Look how cool this little canyon area is. So we're going down in this trail.
Zigzag.
But make sure you have good sole shoes when you come here, because it is a little slippery. Oh, yep. Feels a little slippery, but this was cool. I wanted to show you guys this. Look at this, is neat. What are you doing up there? We made it. We made it down. It's really cool down here. Whoa.
Dad, I remember this spot.
You guys, down in this canyon, in between all these voodoos, there is, lo and behold, a tree I know you're not gonna believe me until I show you, but there's a tree. Do you guys want to see the tree? I know you do, because I know you don't believe me unless you've been here before. Well, anyway, I gotta watch my step. Let's go see this tree. I can see it. We're gonna see it, and I'm not gonna show it to you until I get closer to it. Uh-oh. Watch your head right here. Gotta watch your head. Don't hit it. Walk down these steps. And you guys, look at this. Oh wait, not a tree, 2 trees.
Oh!
You guys aren't gonna believe me until I show you, but I'm gonna show you. Ready? You guys ready? Turning the camera. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Let's see. A tree in the middle of all this stuff. Isn't this crazy? Whoa. Whoa, here, look. Oh man. Look at that. Go look up. Ah! Holy cow. But look at this. This is even more amazing. Ah! A miniature forest. Look. Whoa. A miniature forest down in here. Look at this, guys. This is cool. Free wood. Oh. Isn't this so much beautiful? Isn't this so beautiful over here at Bryce Canyon? Anyway, hey you guys, did you know that Bryce Canyon is not really a canyon? Do you want to know why?
Why?
Well, the reason why is because of they're just amphitheaters. These little rock formation things, that's what they're really called, amphitheaters, or you can call them hoodoos. And they're just shaped from all the water and snow and wind that is around here. And it's not really technically a canyon. So that's why. And you know, Bryce Canyon got its name.
It's not turning in. Where is it?
Little chipmunk. Oh, look, you guys, how cute.
The battery thing? Oh.
No.
Boom. Got you.
Boom, got you, fella. Oh, you're so cute.
One more. Boom. Now you can go away.
You meanie. Hey. Aw, just chilling right there, huh? Hey, you guys, look at this cool rock over here. Here, I'll point the camera to it. Look at this cool rock. You tell me if you see the shape that I see. Put it in the comments below, and I'll let you know if you're right. Look at that. Look at that rock. Can you guys see that? Do you see the shape? Put it in the comments below. Tell me if you see what it is.
I win.
You win. It's not a game. I just want to know if you see. But another thing I was talking about earlier about Bryce Canyon not really being an actual canyon. But I wanted to tell you guys how Bryce Canyon got its name. Bryce Canyon got its name from a rancher. His name is Ebenezer Bryce. He had a farm here back in 1875. And he would just show people around and give them tours and stuff like that. And that's how this place got its name. Pretty cool. I thought that was pretty neat. From a rancher that just set up ranch. And just, he enjoyed the landscape and everything out here. And just showed it to people and stuff back in 1875. Anyway, catch you guys later. You guys, this is a cool area we're gonna walk into right now. Like literally cool. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, through here. Whoa. This is awesome. Get to walk through one of these little voodoos. Amphitheaters! Ah! Oh, okay. Okay. Nice. Well, that was neat to walk through that. I like that. Walk through the little Voodoo. Man. Yeah, Voodoo or Amphitheater. That's what they're called. Just rock formations. You know? Franks, where you going? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi. Whew. Getting a little winded now. I think we're starting to head back up. Huh?
When you slip and fall, you'll just hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Breaking and everything.
Yeah.
Breaking and everything. But you'll be alright.
Well, that's pretty nice view from up here. I like it. This is a really nice place, you guys, to come out and go hiking around. Come to Bryce Canyon in Utah. It's really cool. It's beautiful views, beautiful area you get to go through and check things out, and through little tunnels.
You shut up now.
Oh, Jack, you take a picture of like this and look, like what?
Make it bigger.
Whoa.
You get that and a view of that. See
Yeah.
how the eyeball from, you get the capture a
Let's
little
go
bit
in here, guys.
Okay, but
Oh no, you see that nice.
All right, you guys, this is so cool. Oh, a little bit of wind coming, but that's okay. Wait for it to calm down. Whew. All right, you guys, this is some amazing view that we were walking up the little trail. We went from, I think we started at Sunset Point, and you just take like, it's called Navajo Loop that you guys saw, and then you take the Two Bridges one, and you're gonna go all the way around to where it's Sunrise Point, and it's just the other side of it, and you get to see all these amazing views and of the hoodoos, and there's little different trails that you can take, different points of interest that you can go and see. But man, isn't this a beautiful scenery to be on right now? So it's something I want to, I'm a little winded, a little walk up. Whew. So for you guys that just love to see the stars, Bryce Canyon is supposed to have the darkest skies to check out all these stars. Like anywhere else would have like only 2,000 and something stars. But if you come to Bryce Canyon, you can get over 7,000 stars, you guys. So if you like that, you can come out here and stargaze out at night. It's very beautiful also at night. But isn't that fantastic? Well, just keep in mind, whichever side you guys start on, if you come out here to Bryce Canyon and do this, I have to say, starting at sunset was a little bit easier. Two of them.
Oh, look at
I think going the other side, you guys, was a little bit more steeper than this one. So I think, my personal opinion, if you decide you want to, you can start at sunset and walk towards Sunrise Point, and then just take the rim trail back to where you started. Because I'm telling you, I think that one has a little bit more of a steep hill to go up. Or you could do it, chop claims, pay $5 and take the elevator up. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. There's no elevator. Yeah, you should put that in the suggestion box.
$5.
$5, elevator. Oh, but it is getting a little steep right here.
Okay, never mind.
No, but you also get that beautiful view too.
Yeah.
Woo! But then you don't have 14 more pounds on you, huh, Frank? Whew. Oh yeah. Or there's Daisy. I am so winded. Oh man, you guys. 14 extra pounds. Are you kidding me? But anyway, hope you love the view back there. Say hi. All right, you guys, we found another stop to come and check out a different type of view. So we're gonna show you. We're over here. This is called Bryce Point. And so you guys ready? You want to see it? How beautiful it is? Come on, Frank. It's amazing what the weather could do to Mother Nature, huh? To Earth, I mean. Not Mother Nature. Okay, that made no sense.
Do another one? If you don't mind.
Not at all. Switch sides so his shadow's not on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Look at you, Daisy. Hi, Franks. What do you think, huh? What do you think?
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything?
No.
Hi, Daisies.
Hi.
You two. You had a good walk back there earlier on our backs. Or no, well, you were on the front.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Well, anyway, we're going to end the video here with a nice, beautiful view. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had a blast just as well as we did, because it was a beautiful, wonderful day. And I just wanted to take this moment to thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys have a wonderful time. Take care. Love you all. Bye.